Good morning. We have come for English literature class. I've completed a rainy day chapter. Yes, question answers given. Exercises are done. So today we'll do the workbook. Take out chapter 4 and pencil and eraser. Listen what I'm telling you and try to write down. Please learn how to write. Now, it's page 15. Children, it's page 15. Play with words, a rainy day. Look at the pictures and write what kind of day it is. Choose the words from the box. Here are the words given in the box. See the pictures and you got to write the name. This is a windy day. This is a rainy day. See, it's raining. Yes. Then it's a cold day. See, it's wrapped up the body. And then sunny day. The sun is shining. It's hot. What is windy day? Rainy day. This is what? Cold day. And this is sunny day. Now this one exercise. Exercise B. You got to double the last letter. You children got to double the last letter. It's clear to you? Now suppose if it is run. It is run. R-U-N, run. It is saying to double the last letter, to add last I and N-G. You have to double the last letter and write I-N-G. So, now you have to add plus N and then I-N-G. That is equal to running. See children, run plus N at the back you add, then you add ing. So it's become running. Another letter, C-L-A-P, clap. C-L-A-P, clap. C-L-A-P, clap. Now you have to double it. So clap plus P plus ing. See, clap at the last you have to double it, P and then ing. So it becomes clapping. The word becomes clapping. Got it? You got to double the last letter. Same alphabet you got to repeat and then add ing. So here are the words. B, running. R-U, double N, I-N-G, running. C-U-T, cut. You add another T and then add I-N-G, cutting. Number 3, jog. G-O-G, jog. Add another G at the end and then I-N-G. 4, spin. Add another N at the end and then I-N-G, spinning. Shopping, S-H-O-P, again P-I-N-G, shopping. C-L-A-P, clap, again P-I-N-G, clapping. So C-L-A-P-P-I-N-G, clapping. Knitting, K-N-I-T-T-I-N-G, batting, B-A-T-T-I-N-G, batting. Swimming, S-W-I-M, again add M and then I-N-G, swimming. Dripping, D-R-I-P, drip, add another P, then I-N-G, dripping. So exercise B, hope you understood. You have to double the last letter and add I-N-G. Now C, spelling. You have to add A-K-E, I-T-E, I-C-K, I-C-K, A-C-E. Follow it. Page 16. So in number 1, C-A-K-E, cake, it will be. Number 2, it will be K-I-C-K, kick. Got it? Number 3, chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. Number 4, place, P-L-A-C-E, place. S-N-A-K-E becomes snake. W-H-I-T-E becomes white. S-P-A-C-E, it becomes space. T-H-I-C-K at the back, it becomes thick. Now we'll come to a grammar fun, that is D. We should note we use is when we speak about one person. When we speak about one person, children, we use is. And when we use am, that means we only talking about I, means only about myself. Only one, I. So wherever the I is written, beside that you have to write am. And where is just one person, you write is. And when we speak about more person, more than one, we use are. So see the example here. Mohan is a good boy. So Mohan is one person, so we are using is. I is there. I am a doctor. So when I is there, am comes there. Got it? You are here. So when you write you, it becomes are. Now us is more than one, children. So we use the birds are flying. Birds. Not one bird. It is more than one bird. So it is are. So once again, one person is. When I is there, am comes there. When more than one, you use are. And you is there, then you must add are. Is clear to you? Now fill in the blanks with is, am, or are. Listen and write down. Number 1. There are dark clouds in the sky. Number 1 answer is are. Because there are many clouds in the sky. Number 2, this is only talk out of one. So this is Harry's ball. Number 2 is. Number 3, I is there. So am will come. I am a doctor. Number 4, we are there, more than one. So we are going for a picnic. Number 5, Meena is reading a book. Number 6, Joya and Priya is more than one person. So it will be are singing. Number 7, Rita, we are talking about only one person. So we will use is. Rita is playing the piano. It's clear to you? So single person is. When I comes, we put am. When more than one person or thing, it is are. And when you is there, we also use are. Now change the today words into yesterday by adding ed. Now here are the words, you have to write ed. So walk means today and walked means yesterday. Ed you have to add. Enjoy today. When you write ed at the back, it becomes enjoyed. So it is yesterday. Number 3, play today. And yesterday, P-L-A-E-D, played. Lick today, L-I-C-K-E-D, licked yesterday. Number 5, help today. When you add ed, it becomes yesterday, helped. Jump today. When you add ed, it becomes jumped yesterday. Now number F. Fill in the blanks with yesterday words you have made in exercise E. Number 1, all with yesterday word. Means all the words is here you have to use with ed. The Dora walked to school. Number 2, children enjoyed themselves at the zoo. Number 3, Vani and Raman played chess in the evening. Number 4, little puppy licked its mother's nose. Number 5, Jack helped Manu to tidy his room. Number 6, frog jumped into the pond. And writing with fun G, this you have to do. Here is about the school and all the words are given here. You will read the sentence, choose the word and do it by yourself. Okay, students? So today we have done this workbook, chapter 4, pages 15, 16 and 17. It's clear? So this chapter is also completed and workbook also we finished the same chapter. Okay? Until then, here we went in the class. We'll meet again on the next class.